For the next steps, here's how it works. If you haven't done so already, register and pay online, or feel free to call us anytime. Next, please do the 30 to 40 minutes of online learning with some videos and reading about how to read rivers and safety principles. And sign your waivers online. Look through the list of what to bring, and please let us know if you have any questions at all. We provide all the specialized equipment, so you basically need your clothing and change of clothes and footwear for the end of the day, your snacks and water bottle, and any personal supplies. When you arrive, we'll welcome you and we'll do some quick intros. We'll then work through a progression, starting with explaining how your helmet, life jacket, boat, and paddle work, and how to use them, and then starting with some reading water and floating and swimming in mild current, to then starting paddling, and we'll go over how to pull yourself back into your boat, and then we'll work our way up to some bigger waves and running class 1 and 2 rapids, which for the best sections that you want to repeat, you can walk back up the shore or the islands with your ultra lightweight boat and then paddle downstream again. As we get out in the river, you'll get to explore some of the islands and rock formations and get a view of Ottawa and Gatineau, including Parliament off in the distance, from the unique perspective of being in the middle of the river. Thank you so much from all of our staff. We're looking forward to meeting you and to a great day on the river together.